Hey babes, I'm Ash.
And I'm Liv, and welcome back to Bondi Sands YouTube channel. One of the most common questions we get asked is how we tan our face. So today we're going to show you. We're going to show you how we tan our face using the new Pure Bronze Ultra Dark Self Tan Foaming Water. I love tanning my entire face because it makes me feel super sun-kissed and glowy. I love a tan face, but today I'm going to show you how I contour my face using the product, and I'm going to have a nice snatched glowy look today. We're going to quickly go tan our bodies, which you can watch that video just up here, and we'll come back when we look nice and bronzed, and we'll see you soon. Let's go. Okay guys, we're back and we're marinating in our Pure Bronze Tan, and now we're going to go do our face and we're going to talk to you guys while we do it. We asked you guys your burning questions about face tan, so we're going to answer some of them now while we show you how we tan our face. So I'm going to be using the Bondi Sands brush, and I'm going to show you how I contour my face using the Pure Bronze Tan. And I'm going to apply the self tan straight to my face directly with the Mitt and show you guys how I do that. So I'm just going to go in with any excess product that's left on the Mitt so that it's not too heavy and patchy. And as you can see, I just went in with the small side of the brush and contoured a little bit, and now I'm just using the large side of the brush and I'm buffing it in. And I'm gonna look so snatched. Nice defined cheek lines. I'm gonna look super sun-kissed, like I've just been in the sun all day. No, it won't. It's actually dermatologically tested, so it won't cause breakouts. And it's also suitable for sensitive skin and got amazing skin loving ingredients. It's got hyaluronic acid for hydration, vitamin E for repair, and vitamin C for brightening, so your skin will love it. And especially with the brush, it lets you get into all the little crevices and helps you buff it in really nicely, and I just love how it turned out. And because the ingredients are so good, it's not clinging to any dry patches, so it's just going on so nicely and keeping your skin moisturized. With the brush, it has a small end, and I think that's perfect just to go around the areas, and you can easily avoid the places you don't want tanned. This tan is long lasting, but because you wash your face every morning and night, you can top up as often as you want. Yes, as we mentioned before, it is dermatologically tested and suitable for sensitive skin. We are also prone to breakouts, so our skin loves these ingredients, and I think yours will too. Usually just one, but as we said before, if you want more, you can easily go in with a second layer, or if you find it fading, you can top up. You can, when you moisturize your face, just moisturize around your hairline, and that can help avoid getting tan in your hair. Moisturizer basically acts as a barrier, so it'll stop the tan from soaking into that area. So as you can see from the bronzing pigments, I've already got an instant glow and my face looks so bronzed. I'm so excited to see how we look tomorrow in our fresh tan, so we'll see you then. Check in tomorrow. So babes, we're back and all freshly tanned. This morning I woke up with chiseled cheekbones and everyone was complimenting how my skin looked and how my tan looked. I feel like I woke up looking so bronzed that I've just gotten back from a Europe summer holiday. I can't get over how dark we look. I'm actually obsessed with this color. It looks so flawless and it didn't irritate my skin at all, which I loved, and I can't wait for you guys to try it. So guys, that is a wrap from this video. We really hope you enjoyed watching. If you would like to see how we tanned our bodies using the Pure Bronze, you can go watch that video over here. And if you would like to shop any of the products, the links are in the description. Don't forget to like and comment if you tried any of our face tanning hacks, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye babes!